Greetings, welcome to Phenomenal Success Academy. Today we're gonna study WAEC June 2003. Good to have you with us. Subscribe, please, share so others benefit from the effort. Let's get started. WAEC June 2003, Section 1, Vowel Sound. Number 1, build. We're looking for short vowel E. Option C is the answer and the word is bit. Number 2, bag. Please do not say bag. It is bag. We are looking for air sound. Option A is the answer and the word is lag. Do not say lack. Okay. Number 3, he. We are looking for long vowel E. Option C is the answer and the word is legal. Number 4, fed. We're looking for a sound and the option D is the answer and the word is says. Number 5, mark. We are looking for long vowel R. Option B is the answer and the word is morale. Number 6, good. We are looking for short vowel U and option A is the answer and the word is wool. Number 7, sun. Please do not say son. The other word, S-O-N, is also sun. These two words have the same pronunciation. Sun. S-U-N, sun, S-O-N, sun. Good. Number 7, sun. We're looking for up. Option C is the answer and the word is a gun, not a gun. Number 8, poured. We're looking for long vowel O. Option B is the answer and the word is bored. Number 9, purge. We are looking for troublesome vowel Option D is the answer and the word is worm. Okay. Moving on to number 10, plot. We are looking for up. Option C is the answer and the word is ponder. Number 11, now. We are looking for owl. Option A is the answer and the word is bow. Number 12, cheer. We are looking for ear. Option D is the answer and the word is mere. Number 13, now. We are looking for ew. Option B is the answer and the word is sure. Number 14, care. And now this word too, some people used to say care. Careless, careful. It should be care. Careless, careful. So we are looking for air. Option C is the answer and the word is pear. And now the last one, listeners. Number 15, fire. We're looking for ire. Option B is the answer and the word is tire. Now, by the way, sometimes you will see the spelling of the word tire written as T-I-R-E. Well, that is American pronunciation, American spelling. They do not write T-Y-R-E. That is British English spelling. Thank you for listening. It's been an honor to have you out there subscribing, listening, liking, and commenting. If this is your first time, would you be so kind as to subscribe to our channel so you don't want to miss out the next exciting educative videos as we continue our daily effort to see that we educate you in English. Thank you very much for listening. Good luck. May God continue to guide and bless your studies. Thank you very much. Thanks. Still listening and watching? Well, good to know that, esteemed audience. Here's a piece of advice. Remember, you cannot do that which you don't do. You have to do it to do it. So, you really need to practice to develop your proficiency in phonetics. Therefore, practice and practice. Good luck.